Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Dentist Mom, everything dental, parenting and my life in general. So as we know all this that is going on in the world right now, we are missing our regular dental checkups, follow-ups and appointments. So how to keep your teeth clean at home, staying at home, other than of course regular brushing, flossing, rinsing, what is the other way? Well, you can incorporate some foods in your diet and maintain your oral hygiene in a very easy way. I'm going to tell you 5 such foods which you can include in your everyday diet quite easily. Well, the last part was not complete truth. These foods, all of them are not included in the delicious list. So I'm also going to tell you how I include them in my diet. So the first food in this list is leafy green vegetables. Very boring. Nobody will include them easily in their diet. If you're eating your leafy green vegetables, very good. Continue that. They are very good for your teeth. They increase the flow of saliva inside your mouth, and that keeps your teeth very clean in a very natural way. But if you're not eating your leafy green vegetables on a regular basis, then you have to include them. What you have to do is, these leafy green vegetables, when eaten in salad forms, that is raw, are best for your teeth. So include one simple salad every day in your diet. A salad dressing which I thrive on, you can say, is olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, sugar and lemon juice, pinch of sugar and lemon juice. I put the salad dressing in most of my salads, and yes, voila, I just can eat any type of salad with loads of leafy green vegetables in it. So if you're not eating, start today. Now the second food in this list is all the fibrous foods. All the fibrous foods, the boring ones are lentils, pulses and broccoli. Broccoli, I myself don't mind eating it. I saute them. As soon as the color changes, I put salt and chili flakes and I eat them. But if you cannot, you can boil them completely and add in your salads only. Or you can simply skip broccoli and eat lentils instead. Lentils, if you add if you can eat them raw and simply in your salads, that's better. But if you cannot, you can simply add clarified butter or ghee, which will increase the taste of lentils manyfold. This form of lentils, which is called dal, is if you incorporate it every day in your diet, will definitely help to keep your teeth very clean. Now the third food in this list is actually a drink, green tea. Green tea, not very attractive to hear. Oh, you have to drink green tea every day. I don't think most of the people will like that. It's bitter for sure. It's not sweet, sour, savory. I don't know what to say. How to force someone to drink green tea? But well, there is no way. You have to drink it. You have to drink it on your own. You have that willpower to drink green tea on your own. If you add honey or any other sweetener in your green tea, it will not keep your teeth clean. In fact, it will worsen the condition of your teeth, because sugar obviously will lead to increased bacteria decay, and that will obviously affect your teeth very badly. So green tea minus the sweetener, minus the honey or any other sweetener, is very good for your teeth. Till 2 years back, I used to drink green tea after my meals. It used to help, no doubt about it, but then I started drinking it during my meals, and I feel that was even better. So I will recommend drinking green tea during your meals. There is one more green tea called matcha, which is also very good and very much in trend, but I feel the caffeine content of matcha is really high. So even though it is keeping your teeth clean and might be good for your body in general, but the caffeine intake is so high that it can lead to a little sleeplessness, or somehow it doesn't suit me. So I don't drink matcha. I drink the simple green tea, which is available in raw tea leaves or tea bag form. Now the fourth food which is there in this list is dairy product. Any kind of dairy product like cheese, milk, curd. Dairy products, I don't take dairy products in a large quantity because I'm not able to digest them. That's a lot of protein for me. But you can include dairy products, and it's not very difficult to incorporate them. They don't taste that bad. So a little amount of curd, some amount of milk, and a little amount of cheese will not harm you, and it will keep your teeth clean also, because they help in remineralization of enamel. Enamel is the topmost layer of your teeth. If your topmost layer of the teeth is strong, it will definitely protect your teeth from any kind of decay. So the last food now is sugar-free chewing gum. Sugar-free chewing gum is good for your teeth only if you're on the go. Otherwise, I will always recommend the conventional method of cleaning your teeth after food, after meals, that is rinsing your mouth. But if you're on the go and you're not able to rinse your mouth, you can chew a sugar-free chewing gum that will increase the flow of saliva in your mouth, and that will keep your teeth clean. Right now you're at home, so you can skip the sugar-free chewing gum and follow the remaining foods in your diet. You can include them. Start including them from day one itself so that you can keep your teeth clean and avoid causing any big damage to your teeth in this difficult times. So if you like this, please like and subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram handle. Everything is given in the description box down below. I will love to hear from you, so please write something in the comments section. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.